Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to show and display FPS on the NVIDIA app. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go and find your NVIDIA app. Okay, click on it to open it up, and then once done, go ahead over to settings in the left panel, click on it, and then just go ahead and find NVIDIA overlay. Make sure that this one is enabled. Okay. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up the overlay. How do we do it? Well, just press Alt plus Z or Alt plus Z, okay? You'll be able to see it right here. Now, what you'll do next is just go ahead over to the very bottom and find Statistics. Click on it, and then make sure that you enable Show Statistics in Heads-Up Display. Enable it, and you'll be able to see it right here. And then after that, go ahead and configure heads-up display. And then should it be on the upper right, upper left, or center right, whatever. Bottom right, right here, center, bottom left, upper left. Okay, so go ahead and customize this one however you want. And here we have a preview at the very bottom. Now, if it's pretty annoying, you'll see the overlay right here, or FPS overlay every time. All you got to do is just press Alt plus R. Okay, Alt plus R, as you can see, it's gone. Again, Alt plus R, it's back. That is it. That's how simple it is to show and display FPS on the NVIDIA app. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.